Hey there. So picture this. You've got these fancy email signatures saved as .html files, with images embedded in Base 64. Cool, right? Well, here comes the problem. You want to use these signatures in Apple Mail, but when you try pasting them, only the text shows up, sans any HTML formatting or images. Total bummer, I know. Now let's talk about the solution. It's not officially supported in Apple Mail, but fear not. By following a series of steps, you can manually add an HTML signature. First, create a new signature in Mail settings. Drag it to your email account. Quit Mail, then tinker around in Finder to locate the signatures folder. Once you find the Mail signature file, open it with a text editor, paste your HTML signature code in the body section, save the file, lock it, and voila! Your custom HTML signature should now be visible in Apple Mail. In summary, Apple Mail may not have a straightforward way to add HTML signatures, but with a bit of manual intervention, you can make it work like a charm. Just follow the steps carefully, and you'll be flaunting your snazzy email signature in no time. So go ahead, give it a try, and jazz up your emails with a touch of personalization. And remember, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knows, your email signature might just steal the show.